Greetings world, we are anonymous. To the public, our friends, our brothers and sisters within the global community. Get your masks out. Any mask will do. Any political affiliation will do, because in the end isn't it just us peasants against the monarchs? We, together must act in solidarity. No longer can we maintain the me, or my political party, mentality when we are all affected by governments that do not listen to their people's wishes. Together we must stand tall and remind this world what it has forgotten. That fairness, justice and freedom are more than just words. The people of the world have become their own worst enemy, because we have become way too accommodating in accepting the treachery constantly handed out by our governments. Throw your political ideologies to the side on November 5th and stand tall with a fellow human against worldwide government corruption and tyranny. Protest rallies are planned worldwide, in nearly every city, so please give a little of your time to the greater good. The silent majority is a minority if their voices are not heard. Humanity needs you. Your governments have failed you, they sit atop their thrones and abuse their power. They are deaf to the will of the people. The system is broken. If this moment passes idly by without a whimper, then together we will all be at fault for securing that future generations will never have a voice. We will wear masks to show our solidarity, that we are all one in the belief that all of our governments have failed humanity completely. You, our dear friends, are cordially invited to make the change we all really need. Whatever your complaint is against your ruling power, stand tall and make it known on the 5th of November.
Remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason plot. I know of no reason why the gunpowder treason should ever be followed.
We are all anonymous, we are a legion, we do not forgive, we do not forget, expect us.
We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.